a smoothie for breakfast. Just finished lunch and I'm going to head out to check out secondhand slash thrift slash vintage stores here in Tel Aviv. I found a couple. I'm still gonna decide which ones I'm gonna visit today. The outfit that I'm wearing, a crop top from Studio Pasha and some denim from And Other Stories. So I decided that I'm gonna visit only two today because of the time. On my way to the first store, which is called Flashback Vintage Store. On Google it said it's one of the largest stores here in Tel Aviv. And the second one, it's like 7 minutes by foot. That's matcha?
No, it's pistachio.
Ah, that looks good. Morning. First thing, I'm gonna make coffee. This is the Irish cream. It tastes so good. Like, I wish you can smell it through the camera, but it smells so freaking good. Best coffee we've ever had. Went to grocery store yesterday and got a lot of stuff. Also there on the floor. What I'm going to do now is learn Hebrew. On the notebook that I bought earlier in the previous vlog that you saw. And let's set a high goal. 20 things. בוקר טוב.
ערב טוב.
ערב טוב. Thank you. very much.
תודה רבה.
Bruschetta with fresh tomatoes and basil. I have kale, sun-dried tomatoes, beans and cucumber salad, and I made a little dressing here with pomegranate. But mushroom soup. For lunch today, I cooked myself sun-dried tomatoes, zucchini, spaghetti. Ready to be served. My outfit for today, for going out shortly, just put on a tan long sleeve and black jeans. So, well, I decided to film here, but I'm going to get a matcha latte. There is no Starbucks here in Tel Aviv for some reason. These days I've been staying at home. I really got into the mood of home cooking and cleaning and just lazy, so I tried to get myself out of that mood, so I forced myself to go out today. It's been, 4 or 5 days since I've stayed at home. Got my matcha latte here. It's too hot to try right now, but yeah, it looks good. I got a large size and it was 19 shekels.